पहला HBL PSL हुआ था और उसकी ओपनिंग सेरेमनी हुई and we had to do it abroad. Team that had worked on it wept that day. A helicopter swooped in to dry the ground. And we actually
and it
had
becomes
a
a
game.
moment on social media also.
So I think HBL PSL has had a big role when you come to the stadium side of things. और हमें खुद नहीं यकीन आ रहा था. Pace at which things proceeded. There was this propaganda के नहीं ready हो पाएंगे time पे.
Yeah, there were so many people who were actually hoping कि हम नहीं कर सकते. See, ये सब चीजें ना LinkedIn की प्रोफाइल पे और CV पे नहीं मिलती हैं. ये आपको ऐसे conversations में मिलती हैं. So yeah.
One of the CEOs from a cricket board called me and said, "Their internet in Pakistan." And I was like, yeah, this perception needs to change.
Yeah, oh God. Hello and welcome everyone to another episode of the Digital Pakistan podcast. I'm your host Asma Ijaz Khan and I'm here with a very special episode. Cricket season चल रहा और हम लोग cricket के ऊपर बात ना करें ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता. And this time around we got very lucky because we got our hands on the CEO of the HBL PSL, Salman Nasir, with us in the house. Hello and welcome to the show, Salman.
Thank you so much and Assalamu alaikum
This
to
is,
you and the viewers.
Yeah, I mean, I'm surprised. The viewers will also be surprised कि आपने इतने जो है ना अपने busy time के ऊपर इतना टाइम निकाल के आप हमारे पास आए हैं. बट लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द कॉन्वर्सेशन. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स जो मैं जानना चाहती हूँ एज ए क्रिकेट फैन, सो मेनी थिंग्स जो हमारी ऑडियंस जानना चाहती है बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट क्रिकेट आजकल. तो पहले तो वील स्टार्ट विद द इंट्रोडक्शन. मैंने आपके बारे में ये तो बता दिया कि डेजिग्नेशन क्या है, बट हमारा एक स्टाइल है यहाँ पे कि हम अपने गेस्ट को ऑप्शन देते हैं कि वो अपनी स्टोरी खुद बताएं. और ये नहीं कि वो कहाँ काम करते हैं, कब से कर रहे हैं, बट हाउ डिड दे गेट टू दैट पॉइंट. क्या ये आपका हमेशा से ख्वाब था कि मैं किसी दिन क्रिकेट की दुनिया में इस तरह की कोई लीग जो है ना वो लीड करूंगा एंड देन आई विल मेक अ डिफरेंस इन द कंट्री, या बस यू नो थिंग्स जस्ट हैपेंड?
सो मेरा ख्याल है जब करियर स्टार्ट किया था तो तब तो HBL PSL थी भी नहीं. सो as most boys do, there was an interest in cricket. Also most girls also, but I mean, मैं अपने लिए क्योंकि स्पेसिफिक बता रहा हूँ. सो खेलता भी था, शौक भी था, देखने का भी, फैन भी था. बट वैसे आई स्टडीड टू बी अ लॉयर. तो मेरी एजुकेशन एंड इवन द करियर स्टार्ट वाज इन द प्रोफेशन ऑफ लॉ एंड आई वाज प्रैक्टिसिंग इन कोर्ट्स. I'd done my bar at law from England and come back to Pakistan and यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस शुरू की थी. मेरा ख्याल है दूसरा साल था मेरा इन प्रैक्टिस. तो at that point in time, this opportunity came up कि PCB is setting up a legal department and they had advertised for it and I put in an application. मैंने कहा देखते हैं, I'm dealing with litigation, ज़रा corporate side भी देख लेते हैं. So there was a interview process, lots of stories there, लेकिन very interesting ones also कि किन किन से interact किया और किस तरह के questions हुए.
आपका passion
but लंबा हो जाएगा.
PCB था या you know practicing law? अच्छा.
Law था and of course as a hobby and as a fan I enjoyed cricket. तो सोचा कॉम्बिनेशन मजे का हो जाएगा कि एक तो जो करियर में भी शौक है और दूसरा जो एज अ हॉबी भी शौक है, एंड कॉम्बिनेशन हो जाए. एंड ऑल्सो वांटेड टू गेन सम कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपीरियंस. तो सोचा अच्छा मिक्स बन जाएगा. अल्लाह वाज काइंड, आई गॉट द पोजीशन. उस वक्त आई थिंक मैं लीगल डिपार्टमेंट का पहला एम्प्लॉय था एंड आई वाज hired as manager legal affairs. This is 2011. And from there on, it's just been a roller coaster ride. Never a dull day at the PCB. And from there, then I became, trajectory मेरी legal department में ही रही, but I got also involved in other aspects of the PCB. And 5 years ago, then I was appointed as the chief operating officer for PCB. And मेरी 5-year की term थी. And near concluding that term, then I moved to the HBL PSL CEO role in November. So along the way, lots of exciting stories, but आज HBL PSL की बात करते हैं.
बिल्कुल. And did you have any sort of motivation कि PSL sounds more exciting, तो मैं ये switch up करूँगा, तो plans and you know a certain vision in mind?
So HBL PSL has been a product, a premier product of the PCB. और हम 10 साल पहले, बल्कि इससे भी पहले 12 साल पहले, इनिशियली जब ये कॉन्सेप्ट हमने सोचा इसके बारे में और ये सोचा कि इसको एक ब्रांड बनाना है, उस वक्त पाकिस्तान में इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट नहीं हो रही थी. एंड मार्केट के अंदर भी देयर वाज नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ फेथ इन द प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज दे सेड कि जब तक पाकिस्तान में मैचेस नहीं हो रहे होंगे ये प्रोडक्ट नहीं सस्टेन कर सकता. एंड दो दफ़ा आई थिंक अटेम्प्ट भी हुई टू टेंडर एंड हैव एंड ऑर्गेनाइज दिस इवेंट, लेकिन somehow or the other वो नहीं हो पाया. Third attempt, third time's a charm. We were able to kick off. Even that had a lot of hurdles. I remember because I was part of the team that was looking after the concept of the HPL PSL. और उस वक्त भी जब तीसरे साल हमने हमने कोशिश की इसको लॉन्च करने की, फिर भी मार्केट में बहुत कम इंटरेस्ट था और बहुत कम फेथ था. सो जब हम मीडिया राइट्स बेचने गए तो हमें वो ऑफर्स आई जो हम शायद डोमेस्टिक किसी टूर्नामेंट के लिए भी एक्सेप्ट ना करते.
Yeah.
So we had to reinvent the wheel. So there was a lot of creative thinking by the team कि हम इसको किस तरह उस लेवल पे ला सकते हैं जिस पे हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशन थी, जिस पे ये सस्टेन हो सके, ये कंटिन्यू कर सके. और जब हम फ्रेंचाइजेस बेचने निकले तो there were not a lot of interest in that either. So हमारी 5 फ्रेंचाइजेस थी जो हम इनिशियली इन द फर्स्ट ईयर वी वर टेंडरिंग, एंड उनमें से मेरा ख्याल है हमारे पास 6 bidders आए and one of them backed out in the middle of the bidding. So हमारे पास 5 ही थे. So I give a lot of credit to the original 5 franchises कि उन्होंने ट्रस्ट और कॉन्फिडेंस रिपोज किया इस प्रोडक्ट के अंदर, which is so Pakistani, and because of their passion and loyalty.
Yeah.
उन्होंने कई जगह पे रिजर्व प्राइसेस एक्सीड की, कई जगह वो करीब आए, and we were able to launch this product. And from there on, it's only gone upwards. So
Yeah.
complete credit to them. Complete credit also to our sponsors. I mean HBL PSL हम कहते हैं और बार बार अब तो जबान पे भी चढ़ गया है. पहले साल से हमारे साथ है और ये 10वां साल जा रहा है.
Yeah.
So I've seen and been part of the growth of HBL PSL, and having made such contributions towards it, there was a desire also to take it to a higher level now. And that was one of the reasons why फिर मैंने ये ख्वाहिश का इज़हार किया कि it may be better for me to take this role, and I must be thankful to the PCB, BOG and management and chairman कि उन्होंने कहा हाँ, you're
Yeah.
the right person for it, आप करो. So here I am.
वैसे भी आई थिंक क्रिकेट के पैशन के साथ एक चीज़ होती है, इट मेक्स यू डिफाई लॉजिक समटाइम्स इवन एज अ फैन, राइट? कभी कभार इफ आई वांट टू सपोर्ट अ प्लेयर, वो नहीं भी परफॉर्म कर रहे होते, नहीं कर रहे होते, आई जस्ट कांट, यू कांट लीव देम. सो मे बी व्हेन इनिशियली इस तरह के कॉन्सेप्ट्स आते हैं, द पीपल हु टेक अ चांस ऑन यू, कहीं ना कहीं उनके अंदर ना एक फैन छुपा बैठा होता है. एंड व्हेन यू लुक एट दीज ओनर्स राइट नाउ, जब वो इसके बारे में बात भी करते हैं, आपको उनका वो पैशन नजर आ रहा होता है. दे वांट टू
100%,
सपोर्ट द स्पोर्ट
100%.
इन द कंट्री.
और एक तो वो जनरली सपोर्ट करना चाह रहे होते हैं, एंड देन यू कैन ऑल्सो सी द रिएक्शंस ड्यूरिंग द मैच, राइट? दे आर सो इन्वेस्टेड.
यस.
तो हमें तो बल्कि ये लगता है कि कई दफ़ा अगर उनकी टीम हार गई हो ना किसी की भी, तो फिर हमें पता है कि आज तो हमें हर चीज़ के ऊपर मूड ख़राब मिल रहा है, और जब जीत रहे हो
हाँ.
तो उस दिन एक
हाँ.
माहौल ही फ़र्क होता है.
Yeah,
सो इंटरेक्शन
yes.
विद देम इज समथिंग एल्स, बट दे आर ग्रेट पीपल.
और अब तो थैंक्स टू सोशल मीडिया वो जो बैरियर्स है ना बिटवीन द ऑडियंस एंड द प्लेयर्स एंड दीज ओनर्स, वो भी खत्म हो चुका हुआ है. सो वी लिव ऑल दीज मोमेंट्स टुगेदर. वो तो लाइव आपको आ जाता है, कोई जीत रहा होता है तो उसी टाइम वो लाइव चले जाते हैं. सो यू गेट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट इवन इफ यू नॉट इन द स्टेडियम. बट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. अच्छा, हमारा जो फॉर्मेट है ना वो ऐसे है कि हम पास्ट, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर के उसमें करते हैं. तो पहले हम पास्ट से शुरू करेंगे. आप हमें ये बताएं, व्हेन यू वर 20 years old एंड ऑल, उस टाइम पे टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे दिखती थी, एंड हाउ डिड दैट इम्पैक्ट योर एक्सपीरियंस विद स्पोर्ट्स? बिकॉज यू सेड आपको स्पोर्ट्स वगैरह तो पसंद है, क्रिकेट एंड मोर, राइट? तो हाउ डिड दैट इम्पैक्ट योर रिलेशनशिप? और वो फिर जब आप बड़े हो रहे थे टाइम के साथ, हाउ डिड दैट एक्सपीरियंस इम्प्रूव? एंड अब जब आप लोगों को देखते हैं विद ऑल द फैसिलिटीज दे हैव, व्हाट इज द वन थिंग दैट यू फील लाइक काश मेरे टाइम पे भी होती तो?
So, in access to information, I think when you compare it to then and now, is massive. हमें टिप्स ऑफ आवर फिंगर्स पे ये इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं मिल सकती थी दैट इजीली. आई रिमेंबर उस वक्त हमारे पास फोन्स जो थे, इवन स्मार्टफोन्स नए नए आए हुए थे. इनफैक्ट आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई केम बैक टू पाकिस्तान आफ्टर माय स्टडीज, तो ब्लैकबेरी शुरू हुआ था. आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड कि यार ये BBMs हैं, हमें डायरेक्ट मैसेज हो सकता है, एंड इट्स इंस्टेंटेनियस, यू आर इन टच विद योर फ्रेंड्स. तो दैट वाज अ हाईलाइट एंड एक्साइटमेंट एट दैट टाइम.
Yeah.
और अब हम ये देख रहे हैं इन दिस HBL PSL इनफैक्ट कि जो live streaming की viewership है, it's just gone through the roof.
Yeah.
I had a conversation yesterday with our live streaming partner, and he said, "Yeah, through the roof." And their ability to sort of enjoy in the experience, कहीं भी आप देख सकते हैं. You don't need to be at home. हमारे ज़माने में तो ये availability नहीं थी,
हाँ
choice
हाँ
आपके
बिल्कुल
पास
बिल्कुल
के on the go भी आप matches देख सकें. तो lots of differences right now, and I think the experience is improving. हमने broadcast के ऊपर भी थोड़ा बहुत जो काम किया है उससे I think the fan experience is better. And there's another very exciting thing. I know मैं present में आ गया हूँ, but what we've introduced this year is Urdu commentary for the first time. So there's a separate feed for Urdu commentary, and especially for those जो live streaming पे देख रहे हैं, they have a choice कि मैंने English में
Yeah.
देखना है या उर्दू में देखना है.
इंक्लूसिव हो गया आप लोग और
And there was a need for it, and I
Yes.
think we had to cater to that demographic, and great response so far.
दैट्स ट्रू. अच्छा आपको लगता है कि ब्रांड बिल्डिंग में भी फिर टेक हेल्प करता है आपको बिकॉज एक्सेस देन मीन्स विजिबिलिटी
100%.
Right.
So the reach also that we have now, I mean, in terms of digital numbers, is unbelievable compared to the last few years. The I know this one video that we clip that we put up um, of the Flying Man जो opening ceremony
या
में
या वेरी गुड बाय द वे
it was, I think it was cool. Has, I think 2 दिन बाद ही मैंने check किया तो it had like 17 million views, and I thought, okay, यार, the reach on digital is something else, and also that it stays there, right? So
Yeah,
I mean,
yes.
it's not कि जी TV पे live चल रहा था, देखा, जिसने देखा, they got lucky,
Yeah.
and now they can't access that anymore. तो वो with time, I think the technology has helped massively.
It also helps you make it a global thing, right? I mean, अगर मैं यहाँ बैठ के international leagues की कुछ चीजें देखती हूँ, then if something is happening in my country and
Yes.
it's a cricket fan out there, वो भी देख सकते हैं. They can see the growth in our platform as well, right? वरना पहले तो सिर्फ टीवी पे आपके अपने चैनल्स हैं, आप स्टेडियम में देखेंगे तो आपको पता लगेगा कि मेरे हीरो ने कोई अच्छी सेंचुरी कर ली, विकेट ले ली, बट नाउ it's there forever.
Yeah, exactly. वो वरना आपने live miss कर दिया तो you miss the moment,
Yeah.
right? So then somebody could tell you about it. Someone
Yeah.
could paint a picture with their words, लेकिन
Yeah.
आप वो खुद experience नहीं कर पाते थे.
बिल्कुल.
So now with, I think, the digital age, this facility is available, and the global outreach that we have now with the HPL, PSL, and generally Pakistan cricket as well, is phenomenal.
अच्छा क्योंकि हम पास्ट की बात करें तो हम एचबीएल की जर्नी को भी कवर करेंगे राइट. अब 10 साल हो गए, यू बीन हियर सिंस द बिगिनिंग. आप लाइक व्हेन यू रिफ्लेक्ट अपॉन इट, आपको क्या लगता है कौन से moments in time that you feel like slowly built up this platform to where it is today, things that are very close to your heart and they really made you proud when it happened?
So I know, थोड़ा candid है तो I'll share some stories.
Yeah.
I know कि जब पहला HBL PSL हुआ था और उसकी ओपनिंग सेरेमनी हुई, and we had to do it abroad, so दुबई में हो रहा था opening match. I know that the team that had worked on it wept that day.
Oh.
आंसू निकले लोगों की आंखों से, and believing and realizing that we'd done it. And this is very sort of candid, and maybe I shouldn't say names, but the team that was involved, it was a very, very emotional and passionate moment for everybody. एक कि हम ये कर पाए हैं at a time when there were so many hurdles and so many difficulties, and we are able to showcase that Pakistan can do this. And we had the talent, and we had the ability to organize something like this at a global level. तो पहले में तो मुझे वो the feeling was very, very emotional, I think, for everyone who was involved. Second पे then the desire began कि यार इसको पाकिस्तान लेके आना है किसी तरह.
Yeah.
We've got to bring it back somehow. फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता we got the final back in Pakistan. फिर उससे आगे हम गए तो हमने कहा playoff final ये लेके आते हैं. और मुझे याद है एक मैच था और it was one of the few जो वापस हम पाकिस्तान लेके आ रहे थे. Just actually having it in Pakistan at that time was also huge. So I have to again congratulate everybody who was involved at that time, and thank all the stakeholders who were involved in this exercise of persuading everybody कि नहीं यार पाकिस्तान safe, come, perception change करना ज़रूरी था. So जब लेके भी आ गए हम, we thought all these efforts are done और बारिश हो गई. And we thought यार इतनी मेहनत के बाद, और ये बारिश के साथ जो है ना पुरानी हमारी
अक्सर लोग फिर बोलते हैं
जुस्तजू
कि
है।
इनको पता नहीं होता, हम इतनी मेहनत से हमने टिकट ली होती है, हम रेडी होते हैं और फिर बारिश हो जाती है और मैच
So
अबैंडन होता
forecast
है.
देख के obviously
या
one tries to accommodate, right? But forecast change so frequently. अभी हम आपको जब हम प्रेजेंट पे आएंगे तो ओपनिंग सेरेमनी की स्टोरी सुनाता हूँ इस दफ़ा की HPL PSLX की. But just coming back to that, so all these efforts that you put in and then it starts raining
या
and you're like, yaar, and then there's always crisis management and firefighting happening all the time, and big shout out to the armed forces and the LEAs जो हमें हर वक्त support कर रहे होते हैं. Helicopter swooped in
हाँ
to dry the ground, and we
या
actually
एंड इट
had a
बिकम्स अ
game,
मोमेंट ऑन सोशल मीडिया आल्सो
and it was
कि ओ
unbelievable. And
पाकिस्तानीज आर
yes,
सो इन्वेस्टेड.
and the match was on again.
हाँ
And then now आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ज़्यादा matches हम वापस लाना शुरू हुए पाकिस्तान, and the response from the fans was amazing. They were so desperate, and so were we, to
या
give them the experience of watching, international cricket in Pakistan or seeing their heroes in Pakistan live at a stadium. So the response was amazing also. और filled out stadiums होते थे for these few matches जो हम पाकिस्तान वापस लेके आ रहे थे. और there was a real charm to it, and there was a desire कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा और
या
लेके आए. And then I think increasingly matches हम ज़्यादा लेके वापस आए, and huge also support also given to us by the international players जो PSL में HPL PSL में हिस्सा ले रहे थे.
या
Because when they came to Pakistan, their perception changed, because a general perception थी कि नहीं जी, it's not safe, ये this that the other. I remember one of the CEOs from a cricket board, he called me and said कि यार is there internet in Pakistan? And I was like, yaar, this perception needs to change.
या ओ गॉड
Right? And
दैट्स सो
then
सैड.
another one said to me, जब आप अपने घर से निकलते हो तो कितनी सिक्योरिटी लेके जाते हो when you go to office? And I said, यार, I'm going to give you a call on video call and you experience this journey with me. And you will see that what you perceive is very different from reality. So we had to go through these exercises. And once they started coming in and they realized कि जो outside world में उनकी perception है वो गलत है,
या
and the hospitality that we Pakistanis
वो
are
तो
known
या
for,
यस
and the reactions from the fans in the grounds and wherever they're interacted, so they went back as ambassadors for Pakistan, and they said कि नहीं यार, ये गलत है आपकी perception, we have to go. It's an amazing experience. So aista aista we started getting international cricket back into Pakistan because of these players who were coming for PSL and going back and spreading the reality amongst their colleagues. So it played a big role, I think, in getting international cricket back to Pakistan. But then when everything was going well, then COVID hits
हाँ या
and mid tournament. And it was unbelievable for us because again this was probably, that season was probably the first one जिसमें हम सारा event पाकिस्तान में करने जा रहे थे, तो नहीं कर पाए. And then in a very strict biosecure bubble protocol, हम जो remaining matches थे वो फिर again UAE जाना पड़ा हमें complete करने के लिए. Then I remember HPL PSL 7, अभी भी things had opened up a little bit after COVID. एक तो खैर behind doors हमने कराना पड़ा था, उसकी बहुत disappointment थी कि यार
या
the fans aren't
क्योंकि
being
सारा चार्म तो फैंस का होता है ना.
exactly, and then to do it behind closed doors, it wasn't the same, but
या
we tried to make the best of the situation. And I remember उस वक्त गाना भी आया था Groove मेरा, and आज देखेगा crowd
या
Groove मेरा
या
TV ते. So again, great ratings on TV for that, but we were able to complete it. And 7 में मुझे याद है कि there's so many stories, but चल I'll limit them, time कम है. 7th में I remember कि again हमने plan किया and there was a strategic move कि जी एक ही शहर में करते हैं, जितना minimize कर सकते हैं हम risk exposure उतना minimize करें. So we booked the whole hotel in Karachi and we put everybody under a biosecure bubble. पहले हमने hotel staff की करवाई testing. At that time, suddenly, closer as we got closer to the event, Karachi mein I think positivity rate was something like 41%.
Oh.
Right near the event. So all the plans are in place and they were good plans. I think we were following best international
हाँ.
practices at that time. पूरा होटल बबल में आ गया, पर हमने कहा पहले हम स्टाफ को करें, बिकॉज दैट्स द इजीएस्ट वे फॉर द स्टाफ टू सॉर्ट ऑफ
Yeah.
एयरबोर्न एंड वो प्लेयर्स तक पहुंच जाएगी। तो पहले स्टाफ को इंश्योर करें दैट दे आर कोविड फ्री। So the first testing that we did for the staff of the hotel, 80% were positive.
Oh my God.
अब हम कह रहे हैं यार this can't happen now. So we said look, आप और staff को टेस्ट कराएं, ये वाले तो आउट है।
Yeah.
और स्टाफ आया 60% उनमें से भी पॉजिटिव। But credit to them also, they managed. We were able to get a skeleton staff in place before the team started arriving. हमारा अपना PCB और PSL का staff started testing positive leading up to the tournament. I remember before the first week, I think leading to the last week, sorry, before the first match, there were only 4 of us who were not positive.
Oh God.
And you know, these are stories people don't know.
Yeah.
कि कोविड के साथ भी क्वारंटीन कर रहे हैं हमारा स्टाफ, एंड they're working to ensure at least from remotely जो काम वो कर सकते हैं, despite having fever,
Yeah.
despite the virus, they're still going ahead. So again, I must congratulate them and appreciate them कि उन्होंने even in difficult times कभी साथ नहीं छोड़ा, and this is the passion really again for cricket. तो Alhamdulillah, we still did it. The event went by. We managed to do it in the biosecure bubble that we had. And then just, you know, every season has a story, and every season has had hurdles and challenges. But we've overcome them.
Yeah.
और ये हमारा 10वां साल is thus a milestone and celebration of us having to face difficulties, and everyone faces it. But हमारे कुछ unique challenges भी रहे हैं, and we've been able to overcome them and made this brand into what it is today, which is one of the biggest brands of Pakistan and globally renowned. So a very proud moment, I think, for all stakeholders,
Yeah.
everybody who's contributed, and for the fans of
It's very nice
Pakistan
that you give
cricket
us this, back end की stories, because as fans आपको नहीं समझ आती, आप जाते हैं, आप मैच को सिर्फ क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं, एक्सपीरियंस को क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं, बट यू डोंट नो इसके पीछे भी रेगुलर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर ट्राइंग देयर अटमोस्ट बेस्ट, राइट? सो इट्स वेरी नाइस टू नो कि दिस इज हाउ द टीम वर्क्स. एंड
So this time in particular, sorry, मैं फिर present पे आ गया हूँ. I know you want to keep me in the past, but we're putting out some behind the scenes stories as well. जिसमें थोड़ा सा लोगों को पता चले कि
which is
behind the
very
scenes क्या हो
important.
रहा
Yes,
होता है.
yes.
So अभी एक ओपनिंग सेरेमनी रिलेटेड वीडियो भी आएगी कि behind the scenes क्या हो रहा था. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, बारिश के साथ हमारा पुराना ताल्लुक है. दोनों रिहर्सल्स हमारी जो ओपनिंग सेरेमनी की थी उस पर बारिश हो गई, and it was also predicted for the day of the opening ceremony. So let me not give away too much.
Yeah.
वो fans
But
को
the moral of the story is, guys, let's be a little bit more empathetic when commenting. I'll do that too, and you do that as well. Because हम जो है ना, जब पैशन में आते हैं तो हम criticism और उसके अंदर एक तो हमारा थोड़ा सा अवामी मसला भी है. I feel like on every level we get a little bit too harsh. So it's very nice, that we get to hear from you about all these people that work with you behind the scenes, so that people like us can enjoy amazing events.
So, like you say, the passion forces these emotions out of you, and it's welcoming. We like to get constructive criticism. It's always
Yeah.
good for us, because then there are elements
growth
that we
के लिए,
can
yes.
improve, and there can be growth. But yes, the passion is there, and that
Yeah.
causes a lot of emotion. और आप I think पहले भी कह रही थी, I think तो अब अक्सर लोग कहते भी हैं कि तुम जीतो या हारो, हमें तुमसे प्यार है. एक एलिमेंट ये भी
Yes.
था. और मुश्किल वक्त आता है, और आया हुआ था over the last few weeks and months maybe on the national team's performance. But मुश्किल वक्त में सपोर्ट की भी ज़रूरत होती है. And it's so heartening to see. अभी ये last match रावलपिंडी में हुआ, it was a full house. It was so heartening to see the fans supporting their players. This is what they need.
Yeah.
At our level, we will do whatever we can, but the support from the fans, I think, always helps.
अच्छा, पास्ट का सिर्फ मेरा आखिरी एक सवाल है. जब आपने बोला ना कि व्हेन द फर्स्ट टाइम इट हैपेंड यू गाइस वर इमोशनल, हाउ डिड यू फील व्हेन यू वर इन द स्टेडियम, जब पाकिस्तान में अपना पहला मैच लेके आए, एंड जब पहला छक्का या चौका लगता है, विकेट जाती है, तो क्राउड में एक शोर आता है, राइट? सो व्हेन यू आर इन द स्टेडियम एंड पीछे से इतना शोर आता है एंड यू आर लाइक वी मेड इट हैपन, हाउ डज दैट फील?
Goosebumps. National anthem जब भी बजता है in front of a full house, even today,
या
when people are singing the national anthem, एंड कई दफ़ा डीजे ना हल्की सी आवाज़ कम कर देता है सो यू कैन हियर द क्राउड.
Yeah,
Literally goosebumps every time.
that's very sweet. Very sweet. अच्छा, अब we will move on to our next segment. Present से पहले ना हम दरम्यान में गेम खेलेंगे because we want to know you a bit as well. So you just have to quickly reply to these questions.
Okay.
Simple से सवाल है, but this is just to get to know Salman as a person.
Okay.
ठीक है, are you ready?
I'll try to be.
अच्छा, what's the most difficult decision you've had to make at work?
Oh, Allah, look at
I'm
this.
sure there's so many. I'm sure there's so many.
And there's so many, and there's so many I probably can't talk about. इतने राज बंद है ना मेरे अंदर. And I have to keep them confidential. Most difficult decision that I can talk about that I've had to make at work. Probably it's always the toughest to let people go. And because you work with them and दिन रात हमारा तो टाइम टेबल कोई है ही नहीं ना because
Yeah.
matches are happening all the time दिन रात different cities one kind of competition another happening at the same time इस
Yeah.
वक्त ICC women qualifiers भी हो रहे हैं साथ PSL भी हो रहे हैं 6 टीमें उधर की आई हुई हैं 6
Yeah,
PSL
yes.
franchises so people are working around the clock but sometimes there are difficult times I know that एक time पे there was a policy decision to reduce the staff. And this was during COVID, I think.
Oh, that's always the hardest.
And it's easier, when you know, okay, yaar, yes, competence level nahi hai, theek hai.
हाँ, yeah.
But where there is a policy decision in COVID hai, or hard times aa gaye hain, and somebody you wouldn't have let go had this policy not come, probably that's the toughest.
Yeah. So what's the most unusual job you've had?
Unusual job.
वैसे तो लॉ से आप क्रिकेट संभालने आ गए, दैट इज ऑल्सो अनयूजुअल इन इटसेल्फ, लेकिन इसके अलावा लाइफ में आपने कभी की ऐसी कोई अनयूजुअल जॉब?
Unusual तो
To
नहीं
earn
कहूँगा,
money.
but I've acted.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
When was that?
This is again in the past, I think बचपन.
So it was also एक dream के, I mean, lawyer, actor, and then yeah, it's
Yes, so I think at some level I used to do debates as well and acting as well, तो वो थोड़ा connect होके law के अंदर चला गया. But I used to do a lot of English theatre back in the day. I've done one TV Urdu में series. But that's probably, and it wasn't really to earn the money. I think it was more out of passion. लेकिन I mean that would be the most unusual, I guess. Unusual तो नहीं
Yeah.
कहना चाहिए, but
But
different.
like something that people would not expect. See, ये सब चीजें ना LinkedIn की प्रोफाइल पे और CV पे नहीं मिलती ना, ये आपको ऐसे कॉन्वर्सेशंस में मिलती हैं. So yeah. What's your favorite Pakistani tech startup?
Pakistani tech startup.
Is it going to be something related to streaming? Because I mean,
I mean, it should be because if it connects
Yeah.
with us, so I'm gonna support our live streaming partner and say Valley Technologies is probably our
उनकी
favorite
journey भी वैसे
startup.
बड़ी amazing रही है.
Yes,
It's
and they're
amazing
doing
to
an
see
amazing
where
job.
they've come from and कहाँ आप
No
वो
doubt about
support
it.
कर रहे हैं. So yeah, the great choice. So if you could trade lives with anyone in your organization, who would that be?
Trade lives with anyone in the organization.
Yes.
Probably I would love to be, and had I been that talented as a cricketer, maybe I could be, but I wasn't. So I would love to be part of the national team as a cricketer.
Yeah, okay. Achha, what's the one thing you hate
But
about
also
your
when we're winning, huh?
no, because the awam फिर आती है आपके पीछे and then not everyone can
Yeah.
handle that. That's true. Achha, what's the one thing you hate about your job?
Not being able to sleep.
But आप जागेंगे तो हमारी entertainment चलेगी ना. That's just the cost of it. Achha, if you were a superhero, who would you be?
If I were a superhero, who would I be? That's an interesting one. So my son actually asked me the other day, कि बाबा अगर आपके पास powers होती तो कौन सी power लेते आप, super power? So I said time travel probably. So I'm not sure which hero can do that in general, but otherwise, if I could, I think the Flash also can do that. So,
Yes. वैसे भी मुझे लगता है the Flash would actually help you in your
है ना,
current routine
be,
also, being in places,
in
movement.
multiple
Yeah,
places
yes.
at the same time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Achha, what's the most daring thing you have done in your career?
Said no to bosses flatly.
Okay. ऐसे मौके आते हैं
अब
आपके
ये चल
काम
जाएगा
में?
तो फिर अगेन ये भी डेयरिंग है.
Yes, that is for sure. That's for sure. So what's your secret talent? Apart
Acting.
from acting, अपने acting के अलावा अब हमें बताएं.
I'd like to think वही है. Yeah.
Are we going to see you in like some reels and behind the scenes वाली video में doing some acting?
नहीं, not really. Even though I'm sure there are recorded elements, but मैंने उनको कहा है कि यार नहीं, let's not keep.
Okay.
That's not part of my job officially. So
Okay. So what's the one thing you regret so far in life?
regrets in life. I try to, वैसे by the way, live with the principle that I shouldn't have regrets in life. बहुत personal हो जाएगा एक दो बता दूं, but probably
That's the point of this show, na?
with a couple of friends, very very close, not making the first effort to rectify things sooner.
Yeah, it's a very nice answer actually. But yeah.
Because कई दफा आपकी हो
Yes.
जाती है misunderstandings and
Yeah.
then you separate and then you don't talk to each other and
Later in life, then you realize maybe, yeah.
and then you do. I think everyone has that realization.
Yeah.
And you think about it. But making that first move sometimes is delayed. And I regret not making the move. I made it, but late.
हाँ. ठीक है. What's the one piece of advice you would give your younger self?
Solo जितना सोने के बाद में time नहीं.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's very वैसे sad to know that आपकी life में वाली difficulty है, but I mean, I would like to thank you on behalf of all the fans के.
नहीं,
आप जागते हैं तो हमारा ये
नहीं नहीं
entertainment
ऐसी
का
बात नहीं है.
सिलसिला
There's a
चलता है.
whole team and to be honest, I think a lot of them have this problem.
अच्छा, now we'll move on to the present. इसमें अब वो सारी स्टोरीज जो आप पिछले में बताना चाह रहे थे अब हम बात करेंगे इसके ऊपर. अच्छा, इसमें पहले तो ना बिफोर वी टॉक अबाउट PSL itself, I would like to know कि सलमान as a person, 2-3 achievements that he is personally proud of कि this was my way of giving back to the community. अब वो चाहे आपने अपनी जॉब में दिया है, जनरल लाइफ में दिया or something.
So जो I think journal life में मैंने किया है, I wouldn't like to share because I don't want वो एक वो होता है कि Islamically भी I think we're taught also कि नेकी करो और दरिया में डालो and then
Yeah,
that's it.
okay.
I'm not going to claim anything. Professional life में something that I've contributed towards, which I'm particularly proud of. One was I think, and I was one of the people. I won't say it was. It's always a team effort. Was the Champions Trophy in Pakistan. I think that was something that gave me a lot of pride to be part of, to have contributed towards. The PSL itself also, I think 10 years. And every year I've been part of it amongst the team. I'm very, very proud. Helping or contributing towards getting international cricket back to Pakistan, another element I'm really, really proud of.
Yeah.
And again, people don't know the amount of effort the people at the PCB have put into that. And then I think they deserve a lot of appreciation, so at least from my side.
Yeah.
Well done, guys.
अच्छा, वो आपने मेंशन किया तो थोड़ा सा चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी के ऊपर आप एलैबोरेट करें ना ब्रीफली, इफ यू कैन टेल अस के वो एक्सपीरियंस था कैसा. आई मीन हमने तो सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया पे देखा ना, ये रिकॉर्ड टाइम पे स्टेडियम बन गया एंड देन वी सॉ द फिनिश्ड लुक एंड दीस थिंग्स, कोई आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा, हाउ इट विल हैपन. But for you guys, pressure तो आप लोगों पे था, right?
So actually, the story goes even before that, right? It's about being awarded the rights to host.
It was after ages, है ना?
So it was a particularly important thing for us. हम Asia Cup host कर बैठे थे, and this was, the last thing in the return of international cricket. This was the last element, the cherry on top था कि यार, now everything's done.
Yes.
So I don't think I can talk a lot about some of the things because of the sensitivity of things. But it was a long, drawn effort by the PCB team. And I mean, हमारी आंखों के आगे, when you come to the stadium side of thing, ये stadium खड़े हो गए. और हमें खुद नहीं यकीन आ रहा था कि यार ये the pace at which things proceeded. But this was one element, I think, and a very late element, जिसके अंदर, there was this propaganda के नहीं रेडी हो पाएंगे टाइम।
हाँ yeah, there were so many people who were actually hoping कि हम नहीं कर
और
सकेंगे.
ये फ्यूल हो रहा था फ्रॉम
हाँ.
दोज पीपल,
Yeah.
बट आई थिंक strategic decisions had been taken at the right time. The pace of work was amazing, and I think workers ने भी इसी तरह डबल शिफ्ट्स ट्रिपल शिफ्ट्स में काम किया. It's a big contribution from them also.
अच्छा सलमान, पीएसएल के बारे में लोग बोलते हैं कि सबसे बड़ी कंट्रीब्यूशन ये है कि आप टॉप टियर टैलेंट सामने लेके आते हैं, राइट? देयर बीन बिग नेम्स. अब अगर मैं ऑन टॉप ऑफ माय हेड बोलूं, साइम अयूब हैज बीन लाइक वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट फाइंड्स जो पीएसएल से आई, राइट? इज दिस थिंग डिलिबरेट? आप लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि आप लोग ऐसे प्लेयर्स लेके आए और प्लेटफॉर्म इस तरह सेट करें कि कल को नेशनल टीम सिलेक्शन के लिए यू कैन क्रिएट अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड हाईलाइट द राइट काइंड ऑफ पीपल?
So there's a pathway हमारा, जिसमें obviously HBL PSL is a important feature and near the top of the structure. So नीचे से भी identify होके लोग आ रहे होते हैं
जो
and part of the
डोमेस्टिक
player pool,
सर्किट में
right?
प्ले कर रहे होते हैं.
Then some of the franchises are also doing their
Yeah.
talent hunts, and adding players. And then we also have a rule जिसमें हमारे emerging players को mandatorily आपने pick भी करना है और
yeah.
खिलाना भी है.
Yes.
So there is a push कि हम कोशिश करें, and a deliberate one, कि talent discover भी हो, polish भी हो, showcase भी हो, और उसको वो opportunity मिले कि he's identified and then picked up and made part of player development programs, and from there hopefully they make it to the national side. But हमने international players के साथ भी देखा है with HBL PSL कि players like Harry Brook,
Yes, yeah, they come here, they become a big
Tim
star, and then
David,
it's kind of like wow, ये तो
and suddenly now,
हाँ बिल्कुल.
so I think HBL PSL has had a big role in identification, player development, and putting people on the pathway.
अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चन शायद मे बी इट्स नॉट समथिंग यू वुड आंसर, बट अक्सर एज अ
तो ना
फैन पॉइंट
पूछिए.
ऑफ व्यू ये होता है कि जब हमारे प्लेयर्स जो पीएसएल में इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं, वी आर ऑल बिहाइंड देम कि यस वी फाउंड दिस अमेजिंग टैलेंट, फिर कल को टीम में जाते हैं तो आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स प्रेशर और व्हाट, वो नहीं परफॉर्म कर पाते फॉर सम रीजन. सबसे पहला क्रिटिसिज्म आता है कि आप लोग की लीग शायद इतनी अच्छी है ही नहीं कि आप लोग, आपके लिए जो स्टार है मे बी वो इंटरनेशनल पे स्टार नहीं बन पाता. व्हाट डू यू थिंक हैपेंस इन द बैकग्राउंड, बिकॉज यू माइट गेट टू सी थिंग्स इन अ बेटर वे
So
कंपेयर टू अस.
I think ये criticism जो है ना, ये बड़ा recent है, और probably इस वजह से है चूंकि recent performances टीम की नहीं रही of late, और probably उसकी वजह से it's getting a bit of fuel. But when you look in the past, वही players जिनके आपने अभी नाम लिए identify हुए, हारिस रऊफ हो गया for example,
Yeah.
साइम अयूब हो गया, a lot of them have developed in the HBL PSL and then gone on to perform at a national level also. So I think ये थोड़ा सा हमारा blurred है criticism because of the context कि ये आज हो रहा है और recent performances अच्छी नहीं रही. But I think HBL PSL has always played a big role because you get to rub shoulders with some of the the best stars in the world, some best coaching staff in the world, and for the younger players to rub shoulders with national team
Yeah.
players. तो कुछ मैचेस अभी रिसेंटली आप देख लें, कुछ मैचअप्स जो पाकिस्तान न्यूजीलैंड सीरीज में हुए, वो आपको मैचअप्स अब नजर आ रहे हैं एचपीएल पीएसएल में भी. And we've got some really good stars who are here this time. We've got, and some of them for the first time. We've got David Warner
Yeah.
for the
Was
first
the captain
time.
also for Karachi
The
Kings,
captain
yes.
for Karachi. Now, for somebody with that kind of experience, from that kind of a background, captaining a side,
Yeah.
and the environment in the dressing room, it helps. You learn new things.
Yeah.
So it's important, I think, and it helps. Then you have, Daryl Mitchell here for the first time. You have the world number one bowler, T20 ka, playing in the HBL PSL for the first time also. Well, not for the first time, but he's playing as number one for the first time maybe. You got Kane Williamson coming in. Huge wealth of experience. Imagine him sitting in the dressing room and helping,
Yeah.
and on the ground also. The quick decision making. कि जी क्या करना है इस situation में, क्या करना है. The advice that you can receive from these players. तो I think
तो कहीं आपको लगता है मे बी फैंस जिस बात में जो है ना वो अच्छाइयाँ जल्दी जल्दी भूल के वी जस्ट गेट अ बिट टू एक्साइटेड एंड
नहीं,
when it
फैंस की
comes
बात भी बजा होती है अक्सर. कई दफा वही इमोशंस में हम सब बह जाते हैं. बट आई थिंक the HBL PSL has played a major role in player development and in training and in identification of talent.
अच्छा वैसे आप लोग की स्पेसिफिक कोई स्ट्रेटजी होती है कि बियॉन्ड द 6 to 8 weeks ऑफ द इवेंट आपका इम्पैक्ट जो है ना वो नजर आए विद दीज प्लेयर्स और जस्ट
So
द टीम परफॉर्मेंस
player development programs jari rehte hain, camps jari rehte hain. So those people that have been identified, then they get picked up
Yeah.
for these camps and then these programs. So unka pathway ek bana hua hai. And some of them have reached the national team, some of them haven't so far. So it's a good marker along the pathway, the HPL PSL.
Alright. Now we're not the only league in the world और काफी ज्यादा लीग्स है कुछ हमसे पहले हैं कुछ हमारे बाद आए do you feel like competition helps you make better decisions or get better at your work and how does that impact your day-to-day decision making
So competition is always good, and leagues इस वक्त मशरूम कर गई हैं. So compared to few
हर
years
टाइम में
ago,
कुछ हो रहा था अब तो
compared to few years ago, there's so many now, and then
Yeah.
multiple formats also. Or because people look at it, I think the organizers look at it as a commercial model and as a way to promote their cricket. तो बहुत ज़्यादा आनी शुरू हो गई हैं. So उनकी आपस में भी competition शुरू हो गया है किस विंडो में करें to attract the best talent in
Yeah.
terms of players, support staff, viewership, fans. We're all now competing for the same. और उसके लिए I feel, in the past, HBL, PSL से ज़्यादा किसी ने overlap नहीं किया. So when you had these new leagues starting, they didn't try to come into our window. अगर हुआ भी तो कुछ दिनों का overlap हुआ. But by and large, even they know that this is a strong league with a huge fan base and talent and some passionate fans.
Yeah.
So we can't interfere with
और ऐसा
that.
है भी जो काफी अक्सर लीग्स होती है स्टेडियम्स खाली होते हैं स्पॉन्सर्स एंड प्लेयर्स तो होंगे बट उस तरह से फैन एक्सपीरियंस उतना अमेजिंग नहीं होता जितना मे बी पीएसएल पे होता है
Correct, and I think अभी इस दफा भी चौथे मैच पे we had a house full, but always room for improvement.
Yeah.
We need to improve the fan experience. I think it's something that must be done. Fan engagement needs to improve, and that's been the vision this year also. So इस दफा हमने trophy unveiling एक different तरीके से की, hopefully to garner interest at a difficult time जब interest इतना नहीं था.
Yeah.
Then we had the trophy tour taking place, and we went into beyond those 4 cities जहाँ पे matches होते हैं. So the fans can interact with the trophy, it being a symbol of HBL PSL. Great response, great feedback. Along the way, we showcase beautiful sights, sounds, and cultures of Pakistan, which has also been a part of the aim. We've enhanced the broadcast quality. I think the graphics are very good. Some
They're
new
very
features.
Good. They're very good though. Yes.
Chale, that's good
Yeah,
feedback to
yes.
have from you as well. कुछ features add हुए. Auto no ball came for the first time. Match official technology पहली दफा आई है. Player tracking के साथ हम पहली दफा जा रहे हैं. Urdu commentary I think has been massive. जो
Yeah.
हमें viewership और feedback आ रहा है. I think it was very important to introduce again, done for the first time. So lot of steps that we are trying to take to improve the fan experience, and I think there are a lot more that can be taken and are probably earmarked for the next
बट
few
अगर
seasons.
आपको मैं बोलूँ कि एक चीज आप मुझे चूज करके बताएं दैट यू फील लाइक इज द यूएसपी ऑफ पीएसएल बाकी लीग्स जो है ना इस एरिया में हमें कम्पीट नहीं कर सकते
The fans, the
Yes.
fan base is
Yeah.
there's no one like it.
लेकिन सलमान अब हमारा जो है ना द थिंग इज रियलिटी ऑफ दिस स्पेस इज जो इमोशंस हैं जो सेंटिमेंट है वो ऐसे ऐसे होते हैं राइट जब अच्छे होते हैं तो इतने अच्छे होते हैं जब बुरे होते हैं तो बहुत बुरे होते हैं एज पीपल हु लुक आफ्टर दिस सेटअप एंड ऑल आप लोग कैसे नेविगेट करते हैं ये जो चेंजिंग इमोशंस हैं एंड देन बिकॉज अगर हालात अच्छे नहीं चल रहे मूड अच्छा नहीं चल रहा फैंस का उसके अंदर कभी कभार कोई अच्छी बात आप कर भी रहे हैं तो वो उस तरह से रिसीव नहीं हो पाती है हाउ डू गाइज नेविगेट दैट एंड डज इट इम्पैक्ट आपका अपना मोरल टीम का
होता है, in fact, not just from public sentiment, but generally also, because we are also working and trying our best to elevate performances.
या
And उसी से सब connected है. तो जब नहीं हो रही होती, it is demoralizing for us as well. But we recognize कि there is room for improvement, and अगर हम ही down हो गए, तो फिर इनको कौन support करेगा to bring them back up? So I think there's that feeling all the time कि यार ठीक है, let's try and figure out how we can improve things. But अपनी जो downer है ना वो translate नहीं होना चाहिए onto
हाँ.
others. We've got
Yeah.
to we've got to keep fighting. And that fighting spirit, I think we see in the team, on the ground and off the ground as well. जो off the ground team है ना, वो भी एक fighting mode में रहती है हमेशा कि नहीं, got to do better.
अच्छा, एक बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट चीज़ है जब भी हमारे मैचेस होते हैं, नॉट जस्ट पीएसएल, वैसे भी अगर टूर्स हो रहे होते हैं, हमारी जो मीडिया है ना, दे आर ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी हार्श. आई मीन आई अंडरस्टैंड जब आपके सामने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में प्लेयर बैठता है एंड इफ दे हैव नॉट डन अ गुड जॉब तो आप पूछेंगे सवाल, बट यू फील लाइक समटाइम्स people behave in a very harsh manner, and और क्योंकि वही वाली बात है, social media it's open for everyone, so if I am talking to someone that I should be respecting or they're representing me in that manner और बाहर दुनिया देख रही है तो it doesn't look nice. For example, अभी recent ना रिजवान वाली जो चीज़ हुई, when it was his first match, उनको सिकंदर बॉक्स ने जब इंग्लिश में सवाल पूछा, उन्होंने बोला I would like to speak in उर्दू, और उन्होंने इससे पहले प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोला it was very heartbreaking that he had to say it out loud that I'm sorry, I'm uneducated और मुझे नहीं आती इंग्लिश, but I'm here to play cricket, right? तो आप लोग PSL also, but PCB as an organization as well, you guys look at these things and try to protect these players from this kind of harsh treatment also.
I think so, and our media department tries to do that. और आपकी बात बन जाए, देखें, opinions are always welcome. Their criticism is also welcome, but constructive होना चाहिए. Degrade करना, character assassination करना, किसी को beyond the bounds of decency जाना should not be allowed. And I think we all have to be responsible. And I think this message is for everybody कि हमें responsibly act करना है.
बिल्कुल.
We've all worked hard to make this team and brand into what it is today. इसको और ऊपर लेके जाना है.
Yeah, it's a reflection on us also, right? हम नहीं अच्छे लगते इस तरह की बुरी बात करके. I don't think someone from the outside is going to look at and say, wow, such great fans, कितना चेक में रखा हुआ है अपने प्लेयर को. कोई भी ये नहीं बोलता. A lot of the times, it's very sad when Indian people or some West से लोग आते हैं नीचे comment करते हैं, that's so sad, they shouldn't have done that to him. So I really hope कि from this episode, if there is one thing that the younger audience can at least learn is being a little bit empathetic. They're all human beings.
नहीं,
working their
100%
best.
express all the way we want you to express, everybody, and you have a right to do it. Character assassination, degradation, defamation shouldn't be done.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, by law भी नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Yeah, true. अच्छा, अब हम ना थोड़ा सा प्रेजेंट में रहते हुए बात करेंगे कमर्शियल सक्सेस के बारे में. We've talked about all other areas, but commercial success के point of view से, how do you think PSL has grown in the past 10 years?
So massively, because every time हमने अपना right cycle conclude करके फिर से rights tender किए हैं commercial assets के, there has been an upward trajectory every single time. And in multiple signs, multiple assets, we've even seen 2x or 3x jumps, which only goes to show how successful this brand has become. And hoping, inshallah, future maybe the same happens.
Great. अच्छा, we'll move on to our next segment. This is another gaming segment, ठीक है? It's called Hot Take Challenge. इसमें हम आपको एक hot take देंगे और आपने इस पे अपना comment देना है. So, are you ready?
I am, but on sensitive things, I might say no comment.
You have that option. People might look at you and say कि ठीक है, आपने नहीं tough सवाल का जवाब दिया, but we need more than 6 teams in the PSL because it's long overdue.
Agreed.
Okay. Maybe choosing a captain just based on PSL is not a good idea.
Agreed.
Okay. Franchise loyalty is stronger than national team loyalty these days.
I don't think so.
PSL's
But
biggest...
I must say, can I just add on something? It is developing. Because even now, when we see a franchise team playing in their home city, the crowd and the fan response is amazing compared to जब non-home city के 2 matches हो रहे होते हैं आपस में 2 टीमों के. So it's developing, and I'm glad that it's developing, and I hope we nurture it further.
So PSL की biggest strength is raw talent and weakness is lack of storytelling.
I don't agree.
You guys
I mean, I agree that talent is 100% there.
But storytelling,
I think storytelling is there, and this year we're enhancing also. I wouldn't call it the biggest weakness.
Actually, the PSL anthem now needs to go to the younger artists in the country. Because there's if one person is doing 4 anthems, maybe representation.
So this time, I mean, if you look at it, we tried to cater to all audiences. So there was Tala Anjum there also to cater to the younger lot, and
हाँ आपने वो
huge
yes अब्रार को भी लाया,
Abrar ko
all
bhi
different
लाया,
elements in it.
Natasha ko bhi लाए. So the idea was to cover
Okay.
all demographics.
Okay.
In fact, आपने अगर opening ceremony भी देखी तो there was also a cultural
Yes,
act also
yes.
to cover all provinces in a way as well, and all cultures as well. So desire is inclusivity.
The opening ceremony was
100%.
amazing.
And
And
I'm
and the
glad you liked
response on the social media, ke, oh, this is not this place, that place, this is Pakistan. A lot of people were very shocked that we could pull off something like this.
नहीं, Alhamdulillah, I think the team did well.
That was a great thing. Just stadium experience in PSL needs an upgrade.
At certain venues, yes.
And वो venues क्या जो खाली होते हैं कराची,
उन्हीं venues पे upgrade की जरूरत
हाँ
है.
yes. Are you guys like trying to
It is part of the
find out
plans.
the solution? Because अब मैच देखते हैं ना तो थोड़ा सा सैड होता है, you know.
हाँ, मजा
टीम
नहीं
इतना
आता
अच्छा
जब
खेल रही
full
है और
house
वो
ना हो.
खाली सीट्स नजर आ
I
रही
agree.
होती हैं तो अच्छा every team needs its own home ground, no more shared cities. कब
Agreed.
पहुंचेंगे हम वहाँ पे?
हालात
Okay, but it's a plan, right?
हम तो होम एंड अवे पे ही करना चाह रहे हैं. हम तो होम एंड अवे हम चाहते हैं कि जिस टीम का मैच हो वो 5 मैचेस अपने होम पे खेले. बट
ठीक है.
आई कांट से टू मच.
Yeah. अच्छा now moving on to the final segment, it's called the future. इसमें हम अपने गेस्ट से बोलते हैं कि आपने ना हमारी जो यंगर ऑडियंस है उनके लिए एडवाइस छोड़नी है कि you know, आपका जो एरिया ऑफ एक्सपर्टीज है उसमें if people want to come in and have a bright future, how can they prepare themselves better? तो आप क्रिकेट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी बात कर सकते हैं कि if you know you can guide these kids better, या चाहे वो I don't know jobs at PCB है, maybe making the whole experience better, or just like you know being a cricketer, whatever advice that you can share with them, please.
So I think generic बताता हूँ and थोड़ा क्लीशे भी है but no substitute for hard work. मुझे याद है कि you know when I was manager legal तो मैंने रात लेट 1:30 बजे काम ख़त्म किया and I sort of sent in the email saying कि you know I've done this and expected a sort of शाबाशी ना. उस वक्त you know you're young and you started off and you expect कि तो जवाब आया and I remember it to this day. Reply on email came that great heights achieved and kept by men were never attained through sudden flight. For they, when their companions slept, toiled upwards in the night.
Wow. इतना impact आपको अब तक को याद है?
And it's true.
It's true. Kids, so the thing is, no shortcuts, just hard work. मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. आजकल I don't know, maybe there's this trend, लोगों को लगता है कि overnight success and celebrity status लेना आसान है.
Instant gratification का दौर चल रहा है.
Yeah. It's not as easy as, you know, scrolling on your phone. Yeah. You'll have to put in more hard work. That's a great advice. And अब हम conclusion की तरफ अगर चलें तो एक चीज जो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि हम PSL से फ्यूचर में क्या एक्सपेक्ट करें? इट्स जस्ट वन सिंपल क्वेश्चन, राइट? एज अ फैन, एज अ पर्सन इन दिस कंट्री, क्योंकि एक ब्रांड है ना हमारा, तो हम क्या एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे अगले 4-5 सालों में हमें क्या देखने को मिलेगा?
So few steps तो already indicate कर देना चाहिए हम सबको जो इस दफ़ा हमने लिए, which were new, and the idea was to improve the broadcast quality, the fan experience, the fan engagement. More teams, one, is going to bring a lot of excitement, I think.
Yes.
In the next 4-5 years, perhaps more venues also.
Yeah, hopefully.
Better
inshallah.
venues,
Yes.
जो existing है, upgraded, and some innovations.
Great. I mean,
Cricketing innovations.
हाँ, hopefully, yes. कुछ थोड़ा सा गेम को exciting हम बनाएंगे.
Yeah.
That's
But for
great
that,
to
I
know.
think we need all the stakeholders to agree. क्योंकि हम तो suggest करते रहते हैं कि
Yeah.
we should
हाँ,
change
it's a
this
team
cricketing
thing.
innovation. We should bring this. लेकिन everyone has to agree. So some challenges there. We talked about going to an auction model. Again, we didn't have agreement on that. So multiple things I think on the table to discuss. Where we will try and get unanimity.
But things are happening, right? Behind closed doors, you guys are working. We'll get to see some new stuff coming soon, right? That's good. I think that is what is important for us as fans. कि ठीक है काम चल रहा है. So slow and steady, but it's fine in the right direction. अच्छा सलमान,
अभी slow नहीं है वैसे.
Okay, not slow and steady, fast and steady. A decent pace. क्योंकि साल में एक बार हम आते हैं तो every year we'll see something new, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's
Like
that's
this
great.
year.
ठीक है, that's great. अच्छा सर, हम अब क्लोजिंग में ना हमारी दो चीज़ें होती हैं. एक, you have to answer a question that the old guest left. उनको नहीं पता था हमारे नए गेस्ट कौन है,
Okay.
तो जो भी सवाल है आपको उसका जवाब देना पड़ेगा. And you have to leave a question for the next guest.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो before you can leave your question, the question that they left was, आपकी जिंदगी में ऐसा क्या हुआ? What made you get to the point that you are? What made you you? एग्जिस्टेंशियल से जरा गेस्ट थे
Oof,
हमारे,
Allah.
तो इन्होंने ऐसा सवाल छोड़ा है. आई मीन जस्ट योर लक.
What made me me?
यस.
I think the people in my life. My parents, my wife, my sister, the core. They pull me up when I'm down. They stop me when I'm heading in a wrong direction. The values they've inculcated in me, they've made me who I am. And yeah.
थोड़े सेंटिमेंटल टाइप से हैं आप सलमान.
हाँ?
आप स्टोरी टेलिंग में अब टीम की स्टोरीज और सब के अंदर ना इमोशंस रियली मैटर टू यू अ लॉट, एंड इट्स वेरी नाइस के you notice these things and then you know talk about them also.
I don't usually, actually, probably the first time कि थोड़ा सा मौका मिल रहा है तो maybe the floodgates have opened.
yes, good to know कि आप इतना comfortable feel कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. अच्छा, now you have to leave a question for the next guest. It can be very difficult or it can be very simple. वो आपकी मर्जी है.
Okay, let me leave this question for them. That if they were to do a 360 review of themselves, what would they identify as their biggest strength and their biggest weakness?
Wow. It's going to be a tough one, but okay, we'll get to know a lot about that person also because they'll have to give a deep answer.
My contribution to your show.
अच्छा, अब ना सबसे हमारे जो फेवरेट सेगमेंट है फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स, कि इसमें ना उन लोग को जीतने की मिलती है ना मौके. हम लोग एक कंपटीशन रन करते हैं सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर, जो आप डिजाइन करेंगे व्हाटएवर दैट यू वांट देम टू डू, एंड देन आपने गिफ्ट भी देना होगा उनको.
Okay.
So what kind of a competition do you want to run on social media? We'll run it on your behalf. And जब जो भी वो जीतेगा उस बंदे को आप क्या देंगे? I can think of so many things that you can give them, but what is in your mind?
Okay. We've done another interesting new thing this time, which is Bhangra Camp. I
Okay.
don't know आप matches देख रही हैं कि नहीं,
Yes,
but
yes,
there's a
yes.
Bhangra
हाँ,
Camp
yes.
there. And fans would dance
Yeah.
and they get prizes for that. But that's being done at the stadium. So let's do that on social media also.
Okay.
So HBL PSL anthem के ऊपर best Bhangra की video posted online social media,
Yeah.
tagging you and us because आप review कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
You can tag the HBL PSL social media account, or maybe hashtag अपना X है, and we'll give them their choice of tickets of a venue or match of their choice,
Wow.
and an autographed cricket ball from their favorite.
Wow. That's really cool. That's really cool. I mean, you're going to be probably the most loved guest so far. I mean, cricket season में आप आके autographed चीजें दे रहे हैं, so the competition is high for the guest. Thank you so much, Salman, for this candid conversation and answering all these questions as a fan, as a host. जो भी मेरे ज़हन में थे मैंने आपसे पूछे. You were very open, and it was very nice to know the behind the scenes story, the efforts of the people, and it was amazing. So thank you so
Thank
much
you for
your
having
time.
me. Thank you.
I hope everybody enjoyed this episode, and we will be bringing इस तरह की चीज़ें आगे in the future as well. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time. Bye.